Hi, this is my K'NEX bolt action assault rifle. Really fun and really powerful. I'm going to show you all the pieces that make it work first. There's the scope, there's the barrel, there's the butt, there's the magazine, there's the trigger, and the bolt action right there. And there's the scope, which is really accurate if you look down the scope like that. And now I'm going to show you it working. You're going to need 6 of these little blue rods. I have a bit more than 6. And then you're going to take 6 of them, put them in the magazine cartridge. And put the magazine pusher on. Clip it to these little black pieces right there, the rubber band, and both sides. Now it'll feed ammo into the barrel. And to make it shoot, you pull this back until you see the trigger click forward, like that. Push it down, and you'll be able to shoot. And I'm going to use a cup as target. And I'm all the way back here. And now I'll shoot the cup. This one I have the scope on. It's pretty accurate. And if you watch this part, it goes really fast. Alright, that's it. Bye.